Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili or Nighttime Swahili with
mysterious person selling stuff like tablets.
Fresh Bro 7.
and
Fresh Bro 11!
all right. Yeah, there's a fresh bro over here who has turned one extra year. Congratulations and happy birthday. Everybody, please take a moment and wish fresh bro now 11 a happy birthday. What is birthday called? Birthday is called siku ya kuzaliwa. Siku ya kuzaliwa. So that's birthday. Again, thank you and take time to wish fresh bro 11 or now 11 a happy birthday. He turned 11 this week, which is exciting. So we now have fresh bro. Fresh bro what? And fresh bro Saba, who will be turning fresh bro Nane soon. All right.
I want to see my birthday cash? No.
Let's get going. All right, in this episode I wanted us to learn some connecting words. I don't think we've covered this before, so I thought that would be helpful so that we can continue making sentences. All right, fresh bro Kumi and fresh bro Saba.
Kumi. Excuse me.
Oof. Fresh bro 11 and fresh bro Saba. Here are the words that we are going to be covering over here. Do you know how to say and?
No.
How do you say and?
No.
Nah. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. And how do you say off? How do you say off?
Of.
To. Yeah.
I need you to look at the book because we haven't covered this before. Yeah. All right. And how do you say with?
Katika.
No, with.
Nah.
How do you say at?
Katika.
Katika. Katika is also dancing, just so you know. How do you say from?
Toka.
Toka. How do you say as?
Kama.
Kama. How do you say is?
Ni.
Ni. How do you say in?
Ndani.
Ndani. How do you say all?
Hadi.
All.
Ow.
Ow. Good job. How do you say to?
Hadi.
Hadi. Good job. How do you say bye?
Nah.
Nah. Fresh bro 11.
Why is there so much nah?
Fresh bro 11. I don't see you. How do you say but?
Lucky.
Lakini.
No.
Lakini.
Boom.
How do you say for?
What?
How do you say for?
What?
Kwa. How do you say on?
Boom. No. Julia.
Julia. How do you say up?
Ju.
How do you say like?
Kama.
Kama.
No,
How do you-
panda. Bro, why do
like is also panda.
Why
Good
do you
job.
have the same word?
But again,
Oh yeah, it's different meanings.
yeah, different meaning, just like in English. How do you say during?
During. Wakati.
Wakati. How do you say before?
Kaba.
Ka?
I can't really say.
Kabla.
Kaba.
I can't really.
How about we turn around so that you can actually see?
I
Good
said
job.
kaba.
Kabla. Okay? All right. Now I'm gonna
I
ask you. Let me see if you remember anything that we covered fresh bro 11. Okay, let's go. How do you say end?
Yeah.
Good job. High five. Fresh bro 11. How do you say end?
Nah.
High five.
Woo.
What? How do you say off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job. Good job. How do you say
Yes.
with?
La.
Kwanini.
No wonder that you are complaining. There's too many of them.
Nah.
Nah. Good job. How do you say
Guys.
at? How do you say at? Ka.
Katika.
Katika. Good job. You guys are so good. How do you say from?
Rabbit.
Top.
Otoka.
Toka. Good job. How do you say as?
Ow.
That's all. Very good. Good guess. As is ka.
Kama.
Kama. Good job. Fresh bro 11. How do you say from?
Don't ring a bell.
Huh?
They don't ring a bell.
Okay. So the reason I'm doing this is so that you can actually pay attention. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my goodness, she didn't pay for them.
All right. So have a seat. So we are gonna review it one more time so that we can make sure that we remember. What is end?
Charging your card.
What's end?
And where?
Nah.
Nah. What is off?
Yeah.
What is with?
Nah.
Huh?
Nah.
Nah. What's as?
Katika.
What's from?
Toka.
Toka.
Ay, why
What's
Unai
as?
me?
What's as?
Me.
What? We can use another book so that it's easier. No, you gotta go back. Back 2 pages. One more time.
No, I'm there.
Okay, perfect. All right. What is end?
Nah.
Nah. What is off?
Yeah.
Good job. What's with?
Katika.
Nah.
Oh.
No, you're very close. Art is katika. It's like. All right. Good job. But
Yeah, Katika.
good effort. Good effort.
I'm so used to that word because it's
So,
always
Katika,
been
now
said
because-
in church.
It's always said, right? But because of that, because that's a familiar word, now you need to know what it means. Katika, right?
Katika.
Or art. All right. What about from?
Kama.
Kama.
Toka.
No.
Toka.
From is toka.
Toka.
Sorry.
Oh my God.
Good job. Good job. Good effort. We are doing a great job remembering the words. What's as?
Kama.
And kama is also which other word?
As.
Right here.
Like.
Good job. So kama is the same
Did you
thing as
just make
as,
up a word like
but it's like saying.
Limu or something.
It's
Like
the same thing as
Nambari.
saying this one is the same as that one. This one is like that one. You see the meaning is the same. So that's why the word is the same. So kama is as, and it's also like. How do you say is?
Ni.
Ni. How do you say is?
Ni.
Good job. How do you say in?
Ndani.
I don't think we've covered this one, so you need to look at the book.
Dani.
Dani. How do you say all?
Ow.
Ow, good job. Fresh bro saba. Ow, fresh bro. 11. How do you say fresh bro saba? Ow, fresh bro. 11. How do you say 2?
Hadi.
We don't see fresh bro 11. Can you uncover, please? How do you say?
Uncover.
How do you say 2?
Hadi.
Hadi. How do you say bye?
Na.
Fresh bro 11.
Na.
How do you say bye?
Na. Lakini.
Nah. How do you say but?
Lakini.
No. Boom.
Now we start. Boom.
Okay. So this but that. How do you say that? Lucky. I'm not sure what the joke is. How do you say lakini? How do you say but?
Lakini.
Lakini. What? Have you learned the word?
Yeah.
How do you say this instead of this but that or something like that? How do you say it? Maybe I'm saying it the wrong way. Maybe I'm saying the wrong way, but I mean but B-U-T. How do you say it? What is it in Swahili? We have laughed. Now we should know the word because we laughed so much.
Teeth softener.
Yeah. What is the Swahili word?
Lakini.
That sounds like sit softener.
Lakini.
Lakini. Good job. What about 4? How do you say 4?
Anza. Katika.
4? No.
Sa kalamu.
Look at the book.
Kwa.
4. Okay. All right. And how do you say on?
Jia.
Juya. And how do you say up?
Ju.
How do you say like? The other like?
And that. No.
Kama.
Kama. Good job. How about you say during? Wa?
It's in my book.
Wakati.
Wakati. Good
can't-
job.
I-
How about
I am
before?
not on the page. Kabla.
Kabla. Good job.
Stop
Now,
it.
Fresh bro.
I'm not
Fresh
on
bro
the
11.
page.
Fresh bro 11.
You are.
Fresh bro
Now I
11.
am.
How do you say as?
I don't know. Where are we at?
Boom.
Kama.
Ow.
Kama. How do you say like?
Ni.
Like.
Ni.
Like.
Like.
Kama.
Asante fresh bro saba. How do you say like?
Kama.
Huh?
Kama.
We cannot hear you.
Kama.
How do you say bat?
Boom.
How do you say bat?
This is so funny.
How do you say bat?
Boom.
Pana. How do you say bat?
I can't stop.
Huh?
Boom.
What is the one? Now,
Lucky/boom. The word
all right.
boom.
How do you say all? How do you say all?
Ow, ow, ow.
High five. Fresh bro kumi na moja. How do you say all? Ow. Good job. And how do you
I
say?
am hurt. Ow.
How do you say end?
Nah.
Nah. How do you say with? How do you say with? Fresh bro,
Nah.
help.
Nah.
Good job. How do you say bye?
Nah.
Nah. You know them. Good job.
I don't know them. I just said nah.
You know when you're in doubt? Nah. Right? All right. So that we're gonna cover some more because we still have some
When
more
you're
to
guessing,
learn.
just say
We're gonna
nah.
wrap it up right now.
Whenever a word comes,
Mhm.
just say nah.
Good job. Yeah. So keep learning, keep practicing. Kwaheri, thank you. We lost Fresh Bro Saba and Fresh Bro whatever. Can I have you guys sit down, please?
Well,
So
looks
that
like it's my
we can say Kwaheri. Careful, please.
All
All right. Come. Let's come. We say Kwaheri.
Well,
Asante sana. Let's keep learning. All right. Say Kwaheri.
Wiry.
Kwaheri. And again, please don't forget to subscribe and like.
To the boom channel.
comment.
To the boom channel.
Comment to wish
To
Fresh
the
Bro kumi na moja a happy boom birthday.
Subscribe to the boom channel.
Kwaheri.